Now when I'm gone, you know I'm wrong. And everybody else in the world, nigga, they wanna be gone just like me, because they know that I'm smiling. And everybody else, they be checking my diamonds. Now when I'm gone, just carry on my name that I'm gone. Everybody, they wanna be gone with me, because they know that I'm just smiling. And now that you feel my pain, don't worry, you see the name, just hold back, because I'm Chris T. You remember me? I'm asking the question, don't be just letting it. So I just told you, baby, now you can come to with me, and you can make the city just feelings like your city, because I know my city loving me is loving me. And you can be your name, turn it around, it's Chris D. You get it, baby, because you just like me. I hold you down, just hold me down, and everybody like me.
And when I'm gone, I'm holding back. I'm just holding stress on my back. You know it's that when I come, nigga, me and my bones, man. We in the other day, you know we in the thing, we coming back. We in the other day, nigga, when I'm gone, you better be with that. Come strapped, nigga. We in the bitch with diamonds on our wrists, and I just think they shine and shine. When I be on the other shit, nigga, no similar life. We eatin' food, nigga, newborn. Nigga, with time, while eating with the spoon, man. No plastic shit, we eatin' with that too, man. That real shit, nigga, talking about with that kill shit. We got that 4-5, it's in the clip, that real shit, nigga. What you want, nigga? We ain't got no title, but we coming this bitch. Wonder with the rifle, nigga. We just sit in the head, nigga, beam on. That buzz on that bitch with the theme on it. It's the theme song, it's the ringtone. What you talking about me, my niggas, we out. When I'm gone, you better remember how I came, man. Me and my niggas, I think we on the same thing. Nigga, when we talk, we just walk. When I'm gone, we keep on walking.
Now when I'm gone, you know I'm gone. Don't worry, I'm gone. Just they hear the sound of my voice. Just know that Chris T be shining and smiling. I know that you feel my pain. Don't be crying, baby girl. Just hold back. Now look at silence. No more crying. I hear the smiling. I hear the silence. Because the violence, they keep on riding. And tell them niggas, dog, they keep on dying. Cause I hate it, they debated about it, nigga. And Oakland and everybody complaining about this shit that's happening. Everybody keep clapping and clapping until them niggas keep dying. They're leaping on their back, and I tell them little girl, they daddy really gone, they mama really gone, they sister really gone. They was left in their home, but now they in the system. Now everybody gone. I think somebody missed them, but you just think about me, just praying back. I'm hoping God can send me back. It ain't no worries, like Lil Wayne say, but I ain't talking about him, cause me, I do my own thing. I know if I leave, he ain't coming with me. I know when I was born, he wasn't here with me. So what? I told him how I feel, and that I told him was real. But when I'm gone, remember for me, just being real. Cause when I'm gone,
I got his back, I got his back. Yeah, and you know, I take a strap, cause I'm all like that. And when he gone, I got his back, I got his back. Me and my niggas, we stay thuggin', nigga, we stay strapped. And when I gone, when he gone, I got his back. Me and my niggas, we come strapped, we coming packs. And when I'm gone, we coming on this bitch, we on the gone, we coming packs, this pack. We in this bitch like a pack, we stay tight. We in this bitch, me and my niggas up all night. We like the drivers, nigga, we stay climbing on the shit. Nigga on the money tree, keep on climbing, cause we trying to
no more, I'm carrying on, but everybody know it. Going that bitch, son of my voice, nigga, crying, and now you just better pain, and everybody know things hard. And when I'm gone, just carry on, you know that I'm gone, cause you hear the sound of friend of my voice in the morning, and know that you can't see, and know that you see me, but everybody breathing, except me.